Video production is an integral part of content creation. From YouTube vlogs to corporate presentations, the demand for high-quality videos is skyrocketing. As the industry continues to evolve, the role of teleprompter technology and apps is rapidly transforming the way video creators produce content. Hi, my name is Alex with Teleprompter.com, here to introduce an amazing app to help you make better videos anywhere, anytime. If you create video content, one of the best tools you can use to improve the process is a teleprompter. One of the key advantages of teleprompter technology is its ability to provide a seamless delivery of scripts. With a teleprompter app, video creators can easily import their scripts, eliminating the need to memorize lines or constantly refer to physical cue cards. This streamlines the production process, allowing creators to focus on delivering their message with confidence and authenticity. Efficiency is paramount in the fast-paced world of video production. Teleprompter apps significantly improve efficiency by allowing creators to deliver their lines smoothly and precisely, reducing the number of takes and editing time required. With an intuitive teleprompter app, creators can effortlessly scroll through the script at their desired speed, ensuring a consistent flow of content and minimizing disruptions. Teleprompters have long been associated with professional news anchors and television presenters. However, with the advent of teleprompter apps, this level of professionalism is now accessible to all video creators. By utilizing a teleprompter app, creators can deliver their content flawlessly, maintaining eye contact with their audience and exuding a polished and confident on-camera presence. Time is money, especially in the world of content creation. Teleprompter apps enable video creators to save valuable time during the production process. With a teleprompter app, creators can efficiently manage their scripts, make real-time edits, and easily synchronize their delivery with the scrolling text. This minimizes production delays and allows creators to produce content more efficiently, ultimately reducing costs associated with extending production timelines. Video creators often find themselves shooting content in diverse locations and environments. Teleprompter apps provide the flexibility and adaptability required in such situations. Whether shooting in a studio, on location, or even outdoors, a teleprompter app can be easily integrated into any setup. Its portability and compatibility with smartphones and tablets allow creators to have their teleprompter at their fingertips wherever they go. The automatic subtitle generation feature offered by many teleprompter apps promotes accessibility and inclusivity in video content. By creating subtitles from the script, video creators can reach a wider audience, including those with hearing impairments or those who prefer to watch videos with subtitles. This feature enhances the overall viewing experience and ensures that the content is accessible to a diverse range of viewers. The seamless script delivery, increased efficiency, enhanced professionalism, time and cost savings, versatility in various settings, and accessibility provided by teleprompter apps are essential for creating impactful and engaging videos. So whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your journey as a video creator, it's clear that a teleprompter app will soon become an indispensable tool in your content creation arsenal. Embrace the power of teleprompter technology. Unlock your creative potential and elevate your videos to new heights of professionalism and efficiency.